Hello and welcome to the official Cricket Carts YouTube. I'm Noah, and today we're going to be unboxing the SX3. Before opening, check the box for any potential damage and ensure that the bands are still tight after shipping. Before we get started, you'll need a 1/2-inch socket and a 1/2-inch wrench. Alright, let's get started. Start by lifting up and turning the center pin, putting a little pressure on the front end, and then pulling out to expand your cart. Now go ahead and remove the thumb screws on either side of the cart. Grab the foot plate, slide it right into place, and then put the thumb screws back. The rear foot plate comes in two pieces, the base and the handlebar. You'll find this hardware bag under the seat. Here's all the hardware that comes in the bag. For the rear foot plate, you're going to need these 4 long bolts, 4 locking nuts, and 6 washers. Slide a washer onto each bolt, then line it up with the 4 holes on the handlebar. Line up the 4 bolts with the 4 holes on the back of the base, then go ahead and slide the handlebar on. Place the last washers on the back of the top 2 bolts, then fasten down the 4 locking nuts. You're going to need the tools for this one. Place the wrench at the back, then tighten these nuts using the socket. What we're going to do now is assemble the handlebars. Make sure you've unwrapped the handle, the spacer, and the thumb screws. After you've lined up the handlebar on the outside of the spacer, place in the thumb screws. Now line up this handlebar assembly with the 2 holes on the side of the cart and tighten them down. You'll do the same thing for both sides. Finally, take those last 2 thumb screws and fasten down the back seat. Our SX3 is assembled and ready to go. To learn more or to find a Cricket Cart dealer near you, check us out at cricketcarts.com. Like and subscribe, and thanks for stopping by.